Looking for the best white PC case and don't want to waste money on the wrong one? In this ranking, we're going from the weakest option to the one that stands out as the best overall pick. Starting this list in 5th place, we have the Corsair case. This one is the safe and simple option. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's exactly why some people will still like it. It gives you a white clean look, solid airflow, and enough room for a strong gaming build without feeling overly complicated. Where it does well is the basics. You get room for large graphics cards, support for big radiators, and a layout that's easy to work with. Compared with the ASUS case above it, this one gives you full ATX support, and compared with more premium cases later in the list, it keeps things much more affordable and straightforward. The problem is that it feels a little bare next to the others. Only 2 stock fans, no front USB-C, and fewer premium touches make it harder to call this one exciting. It's good, but in a lineup like this, good is not always enough. I would recommend it to anyone building a clean white system on a tighter budget who still wants proper airflow and ATX space. And by the way, links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Now, let's move to the next case. In 4th place, we have the ASUS case. This one is a really interesting middle ground choice because it's smaller than a full ATX tower, but it still gives you surprisingly generous room inside. It feels like that friend who shows up looking compact, then somehow carries everything. The big win here is efficiency. You get strong GPU clearance, serious radiator support at the front and top, and support for hidden connector boards for a cleaner build. Compared with the Corsair, it uses its internal space very cleverly, and compared with the Hyte and Lian Li cases, it gives you a much more practical and less intimidating build process. Its biggest weakness is the format. You're locked into micro ATX and mini ITX boards, and you only get 5 expansion slots. So while it is roomy for its class, it's still not as flexible as the larger cases higher in the ranking. This is a great fit for someone who wants a sharp-looking white MATX build with strong cooling options and cleaner cabling. If you're enjoying the ranking so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Next up is where things start to feel much more premium. Taking 3rd place, we have the Hyte case. This is the one for people who want their PC to look like the star of their room. The whole design is built around showing off your parts, especially that vertical graphics card layout, and it absolutely nails that premium showcase vibe. Feature-wise, it's loaded. There is huge support for long graphics cards, tall air coolers, thick radiators, and a ton of fans. Compared with the ASUS and Corsair models, this is on another level for custom cooling headroom. Even next to the NZXT, it feels more ambitious and more dramatic. But there's a catch. The case is big, and it's not really trying to be a value champion. It's better for a dream build than a practical one. Against the NZXT and Lian Li, it gives you amazing style, but it asks for more space and a bigger budget in return. I would point this toward builders who want a premium white showpiece and care as much about presentation as performance. If that sounds like overkill, the next case might hit a much sweeter balance. In 2nd place, we have the NZXT case, and honestly, this is the one that will make the most people happy. It has that clean modern white look, great airflow, and a smart internal layout that just makes sense the moment you open it. This case stands out because it balances everything so well. You get 3 included fans, a dual chamber design for cleaner cable management, good radiator room, and a shape that helps feed fresh air toward the graphics card. Compared with the Hyte, it's easier to justify for everyday builders, and compared with the Corsair, it feels more complete right out of the box. The limitations are mostly at the very top end. You don't get the same extreme hardware freedom as the Hyte or the Lian Li, and it is wider than some people expect from pictures. Still, those are small complaints for a case that gets so much right. This is the case I would recommend to most gamers and creators who want a white build that looks premium without becoming a complicated project. And that brings us to the top spot. In 1st place, we have the Lian Li case. This is the one that feels like it was built for someone who wants a white PC to stop people in their tracks. The design is premium, the glass presentation is striking, and yet it still keeps real hardware flexibility instead of being just a pretty shell. What pushes it to number 1 is how complete it feels. You get broad support for large cards, strong radiator options across multiple positions, support for back connect boards, and quality of life extras like the built-in anti-sag bracket. Compared with the Hyte, it feels a little more versatile. Compared with the NZXT, it feels more premium and more ambitious for a top-tier white showcase build. It's not perfect, this is still a premium showcase case, so it's not the most budget-friendly option, and a mesh-focused airflow case can still be simpler if your only goal is raw cooling. But for the mix of looks, flexibility, and overall build potential, this one earns the crown. This is the case for builders who want their white PC to feel special every time they look at it, and if you're aiming for that dream setup, this is the one I would start with. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video, and pick the one that matches your build style and budget. Don't forget to like this review and subscribe to the channel for more PC hardware rankings and reviews.